we need a different perspective. We need a new breed of women solution makers.
Welcome to this new episode of Women in Manufacturing at Microsoft. I am Mariam Girari, Azure Solution Specialist for customers in manufacturing in the Netherlands. A big aspect of manufacturing customer success is to build and encourage diverse teams. I invited today Emma McKay from Tata Steel Europe to share more about her experience in building diverse teams. So thank you, Emma. Thanks for joining us today.
Well, thank you very much for inviting me, Miriam. Pleasure to be speaking with you.
So what is your role within the organization?
I'm in our IT function, where I head enterprise architecture. The highest level, my job is about ensuring that our company's business strategy is correctly supported with the right IT and technology solutions.
And Emma, why do you think young female talents, could consider joining Tata Steel?
What I find interesting as a woman is I love solving problems. I love coming up with solutions. And I think that, it is quite a female trait, that we see things, we know we could fix them, and we could make them a little bit better with some structure, with some logic, making things better. And that's what you get to do with technology. Yeah, I think one of the things that I have really just enjoyed is the ability to bring a different perspective. Because there's not so many people in Tata Steel Netherlands, and there wasn't when I worked for Tata Steel in the UK, and it certainly was true as well for the glass manufacturer that I worked for previously. Not so many of us women around, and not so many kind of youngish women. I'm not as young as I was, but yeah, I think that with that, what I've always been able to do is bring a different lens to things and look at things in a different way. And for any organisation to succeed and to get better and to continue to perform, that's so important. A diverse range of views and perspectives. The other thing about manufacturing that gets me really excited, and it has right from day one of working in the industry, is it's real. So it's not about doing something on the side. It's about creating something from scratch, creating something that the world needs and that society at large needs, and making sure that that's supplied to our customers. So that's something that I find really, really inspiring. And within Tata Steel, what we produce and what we make is so important for the world and society. Steel allows the world to live. What we're now making sure that we make a step change in is how we go about making this important product in a green, clean, circular way. Tata Steel is such an exciting place to be right now because of that. We have to radically change the way that we manufacture our products, to the point that by 2050 we want to get to the point that we've fully eliminated our CO2 emissions. We need to radically change things. As I explained, we need to shake things up, and we need to chart a new path forward to realise our new purpose for our green, clean, circular future. And to enable us to do that, we need a different perspective. We need a new breed of women solution makers. We need a diverse set of new ideas. And that requires us to be bringing new people into the organisation. Diversity means change. Diversity means challenge. which is really important to allow an organisation to change. And diversity means, for me, collaboration and being open and being up for connecting with people that maybe you don't connect with before. And all of these things are so important for our company's future.
Yeah, and I would concur. I think this, sustainability and solution fixing, and it is actually wider than women only. The diverse teams really bring new ideas into the table that all organizations can benefit from. Thank you so much, Emma. Thanks for the time today, and it is really inspiring to see how you're taking this ownership within your organization to change things. Finally, I'd like actually to thank everyone who has watched this video. By the way, we will be again in the Hanover Messe this year, face to face. So please join us on the Women Power session on the 2nd of June.